Are you interested in making money online? Whether you're looking for a side hustle or a full-time income, this video is for you. In this video, we will be sharing the fundamentals of making money online and essential tips for beginners to get started. Let's dive in. The first step to making money online is to choose the right business model. There are various options available such as e-commerce, affiliate marketing, freelancing, and more. Research and identify the business model that aligns with your interests, skills, and goals. Setting realistic goals is crucial for your online success. Begin by defining what you want to achieve and break it down into actionable steps. This will help you stay motivated and focused on your journey. To make money online, you need to establish a strong online presence. This includes creating a website or blog, setting up social media profiles, and engaging with your target audience. Building credibility and trust will be key to your success. One of the fundamental principles of making money online is to provide value to your audience. Whether it's through informative blog posts, helpful tutorials, or quality products, focus on solving your audience's problems and meeting their needs. Now that you have built your online presence, it's time to explore various monetization strategies. This could include advertising, sponsored content, selling digital products, offering services, or creating online courses. Experiment and find the methods that work best for you. The online landscape is constantly evolving, so it's essential to invest in learning and improving your skills. Stay updated with the latest trends, tools, and strategies through online courses, workshops, and networking with like-minded individuals. Tracking your progress is crucial to understand what's working and what needs improvement. Use analytics tools to measure your website traffic, conversion rates, and engagement metrics. Adapt and refine your strategies based on the data to continuously grow your online income. Making money online requires dedication, persistence, and continuous learning. By following the fundamentals we've shared in this video, you'll be well equipped to embark on your online earning journey. Remember, the key is to take action and never give up. Best of luck!